Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You must start by verifying your account and site approval. This ensures eligibility for search ads. Once confirmed, open Adsense, go to Ads, and choose Search Ads to enable the product. You'll also need a custom search engine, CSE, or Google Programmable Search configured for your domain so ads can serve in results. Make sure the CSE is linked to the same account. These first steps unlock the ability to add code and configure placements. Once enabled, link your CSE to Adsense in the Sites and Search section so revenue can be tracked. Then customize the search results appearance, colors, layout, and how many ads appear, because better UX improves click-through rates. Choose ad formats and ad density to balance revenue and user experience. After that, generate the search ad code snippet within Adsense. Copy the exact script. You'll paste it into your site where the search box and results should appear. Paste the search code into your site template where the search box and results container load. Many use header plus a results div on a search page. Then perform several test queries to confirm results and ad slots render. Monitor Adsense reports to ensure impressions and clicks register. If ads don't appear, check policy compliance, ensure the CSE is linked and active, and confirm your site is approved. Fixing a policy or linking error usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.